Hey food lovers, thanks so much for tuning in to Food for Life. We're so excited to have you here with us today. Today, we're whipping up something truly delicious that I think you're going to love. Let's dive right in. If you're enjoying the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and share it with your friends who love great food. The more, the merrier. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll never miss out on our future recipes and cooking tips. Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to share how to make a delicious and traditional dessert, Afghani Halwa. This dish is rich, flavorful, and perfect for special occasions or a sweet treat after a hearty meal. The beauty of Afghani Halwa lies in its simplicity. Let's dive into the process and create a sweet masterpiece together. Before we begin cooking, let's take a moment to prepare all the ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of oil, about 1 cup of water, 4 to 5 green cardamom pods, and a handful of chopped pecans. First, grind the cardamom seeds from the pods if you have whole cardamom, as it will add a fresh, aromatic flavor to the halwa. Chop the pecans into small pieces, as they'll add a nice crunch and complement the smooth texture of the halwa. Now let's get started with cooking the halwa. Heat a pan on medium heat and add the oil. Once it's hot, add the all-purpose flour to the oil, stirring constantly to avoid lumps. The goal here is to roast the flour until it turns golden brown and begins to release a nutty fragrance. This step is crucial because it gives the halwa a rich, toasted flavor. Continue stirring for 5 to 7 minutes until the flour is well roasted and aromatic. Now that the flour is roasted, carefully pour the water into the roasted flour mixture. Be cautious as the water will bubble up. Stir the mixture well and it will quickly come together, becoming thick and smooth. At this point, the halwa should be coming together nicely. Add the sugar bit by bit. Stir the mixture for a couple of minutes to ensure it's smooth and well blended. Now add the chopped pecans and cardamom. Mix them in for some crunch and extra flavor. You'll notice the texture will become thick and glossy, and the fragrance of cardamom will fill the air. Once it's fully combined, cover the pot with a cloth-covered lid at a low heat for couple minutes until the oil comes on surface. After couple minutes, transfer the halwa to a serving dish and allow it to cool slightly before serving. Garnish with a few more pecans on top for a final touch. And there you have it. Your homemade Afghani halwa is ready to be enjoyed.
Like and subscribe.